Hey kids, are you ready for an amazing adventure today? I hope you are because we have something super fun planned just for you. Welcome to another exciting adventure. Today, we're going to embark on a magical journey that will help us learn and have fun at the same time. Today we're hopping onto the magic counting train. This isn't just any train, it's a special train that will take us through the wonderful world of numbers. Are you ready to count with me? We're going to have so much fun counting all the way up to 20. So get ready, hold on tight, and let's start our journey. Let's go. The magic counting train is starting its journey. Choo-choo, can you hear the train whistle? It's calling us to start counting. Choo-choo train is on the way. 1, 2, 3, hip hooray. Look at the beautiful scenery as we count. The trees, the flowers, and the happy animals are all around us. 4, 5, 6. Blow the horn. Can you make the sound of the train horn? Let's do it together. Toot toot. 7, 8, 9. It's a counting morn. The sun is shining bright and we're having a great time counting. Can you see the numbers on the train cars? 10, 11, 12, hold on tight, 13, 14, what a sight! The train is picking up speed and we're zooming through the countryside. Look at all the numbers flying by. 15, 16 rolling fast, 17, 18, we're having a blast. The magic counting train is going faster and faster. Can you feel the wind in your hair? 19, 20, the ride is done. Counting numbers is so much fun. Wasn't that amazing? We counted all the way to 20 and had a fantastic time on the magic counting train. You did such a great job counting. I'm so proud of you. Remember, numbers are everywhere, and they can be so much fun to play with. Whether you're at home, at school, or outside playing, you can always find numbers around you. They're in the books you read, the games you play, and even in the food you eat. Remember, numbers are everywhere, and they can be so much fun to play with. Every time you see numbers, think about our magic counting train adventure and how much fun we had. You can even make up your own counting games and adventures. Use your imagination and see where the numbers take you. Maybe you'll go on a counting safari or a number treasure hunt. Alright, I hope you had a fantastic time. I know I did. Don't forget to share your counting adventures with your friends and family. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun adventures. We have so many exciting things planned, and we can't wait to share them with you. See you next time, kids. Bye-bye. Keep counting and having fun.